Took my seat, middle row. You looked up from your travel show. Little smirk, tray table down. Turbulence couldn't shake your crown. You said, where you headed to? I said, anywhere with ocean blue. Plastic cup, citrus kiss. You laughed like summer in a twist. Sky so high, heart so light. I swear we danced mid-flight. Airplane, lemonade, fizz in the sky. Met you at 30K feet so high. Told me your name, I forgot to blink. Blamed it on the altitude and the drink. Laughing like kids, clouds under feet. Vacation love in an aisle seat. Airplane lemonade, sweet and strange. Sipping forever in a time-lost range. You drew hearts in the frost on glass. Told me stories of your wild past. Traded playlist, one ear each. Sunset painted the cabin peach. Tiny screen, rom-com play, but I was watching you anyway. One spark, no delay, like postcards sent halfway. Tiny plane, giant dreams. Talked about life and in-flight scenes. You said, let's not land just yet. Still stuck in that mindset. Airplane, lemonade, fizz in the sky. Met you where day meets the night. Seatbelt signs, but we still danced. Our arms in sync with every chance. Whisper soft over engine beats. Found a rhythm in the airplane seats. Airplane, lemonade, fizzy fade. Somewhere above we felt weightless and great. Window views and cotton clouds. Your laugh still plays without a sound. Maybe we were just a flight, but it felt like the start of light. Airplane, lemonade.